The irrigation system that transports most water is dash. Good thinking. The tractor-powered system is the right answer. The discharge passing over an OG spillway is given by. Excellent. Kletri 2 is a brilliant choice. Dash River Basin has the highest groundwater potential. Exactly. Ganga makes sense, and it is right choice. Difference between gross storage and dead storage dash. Perfect. Live storage is the correct choice. What has made irrigation possible in high-level areas? On track. River lift system is the correct answer. The average rainfall of India has been estimated to be. Smart pick. Len 94 Manem is the correct choice. The presence of excess salts in the soil requires dash. Bravo. High water storage efficiency is the answer. Dash scoring escapes have become obsolete because of. You chose silt ejectors, and it is correct. A narrow V-shaped valley indicates the choice of dash. Nicely done. Arch dam is a solid answer. In which type of weir energy dissipation takes place? You got it. Your choice, parabolic weir, is right. The movement of water through the soil is called dash. Good job. Your answer percolation works well here. Which type of irrigation avoids the wastage of water? Right choice. Drip irrigation is the best answer. Vertical drop fall is satisfactory for a height up to. Great job. 1 point mem is the accurate answer. What is the difference between a weir and a barrage? Smart move. No solid obstruction is an accurate answer. Which of the following forces do not act on the dam? Well picked. Creep pressure is the correct answer. The field water efficiency of trickle irrigation is. Great thinking. 80–90% is the right choice. A dash dam is generally called as a weir or barrage. Clear logic. Your choice diversion dam is sound and 100% true. Dash is a man-made waterway that allows water to flow. Strong choice. Canal is the right answer. Which of the following can be used as a meterfall? Nice work. You chose vertical drop fall, and it is correct. Which efficiency is also called on-farm efficiency? Excellent choice. Water application efficiency is the right answer. Peak use is the maximum amount of water needed for. Valid point. One day is true. Plants are watered in individual pots through dash. Right again. Tube watering system is a valid answer. Dash type of canal is most useful in hilly areas. You're right. Contour is the correct answer. Which of the following is known as a debris dam? Nice selection. Detention dam is the correct and valid answer. Watering of plants through artificial means dash. Correct. Irrigation is the right answer. Dimension of coefficient of transmissibility are. Well done. Meslot 1 is the right choice. Trap efficiency of a reservoir is a function of. Sharp thinking. Capacity inflow ratio is the right choice. Diversion headwork is suitable for dash rivers. Well reasoned. Perennial rivers is the correct choice. The major resisting force in a gravity dam is solid response. Self-weight pressure is a valid choice. Hydrograph is the graphical representation of correct response. Runoff and time is the most accurate answer. What is the other name for flood irrigation? Well reasoned. Uncontrolled irrigation is the correct choice. Which type of fall is not adopted in India? Well picked. Montague type fall is the correct answer. A canal which is aligned at right angles to. Correct response. Side slope canal is the most accurate answer. Dash. CD works carry drainage over the canal. Well done. Aqueduct and siphon aqueduct is the right choice. Famous Roosevelt Dam in USA is of the type. You're right. Solid masonry gravity dam is the correct answer. Practically the best hydraulic channel is right again. Semicircular is a valid answer. Tank water irrigation system is common in sharp thinking. Andhra Pradesh is the right choice. Optimum depth of core watering for rice is great job. 190 mmL is the accurate answer. Sprinkler heads need dash psi to operate. On track. 3 is the correct answer. In a chute spillway, the flow is usually strong choice. Supercritical is the right answer. Corrugation is a type of dash irrigation. Nice selection. Furrow is the correct and valid answer. Dash is a form of overhead irrigation. Correct. Sprinkler is the right answer. Sprinkler irrigation is used in soils. Perfect. Sandy soils is the correct choice. Droughts occur due to the scarcity of. Bravo. Irregular distribution of rain is the answer. Cheap and popular irrigation in India. Good job. Your answer works well here. The sensitivity of a rigid module is. You got it. Your choice 0 is right. Superpassage is the reverse of dash. Excellent choice. Aqueduct is the right answer. Sub-irrigation is used in areas with. Smart move. High water table is an accurate answer. On-farm efficiency is also called as. Good thinking. Water application efficiency is the right answer. Dash contact on the downstream side. Right choice. Toe is the best answer. The elementary profile of a dam is. Nicely done. A right-angled triangle is a solid answer. Water tank is a container used for. Excellent. Storing water is a brilliant choice. Unit of runoff in MKS system is. Valid point. Cubic meter sec is true. Multiple arch dam is an example. You chose buttress dams, and it is correct. Applying water under pressure. Smart pick. Sprinkler is the correct choice. Garrett's diagrams are based on. Nice work. You chose Kennedy's theory, and it is correct. Tanks use up large areas of. Clear logic. Your choice land is sound and 100% true. What does MPUC stand for? Great thinking. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium is the right choice. FATEL stands for dash. Solid response. Full tank level is a valid choice. Guide bank? Exactly. Bell's bund makes sense, and it is right choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Bravo! Contact Narayan Chengda is the answer.